Are you a business owner looking to create a unique and professional logo for your brand? Then look no further than Brandmark. With Brandmark, you can create logo that perfectly captures the essence of your business in just a few simple steps. To get started, just click on Create My Logo. First, enter your brand name and slogan, then enter keywords that describe your brand and select a color or color style. With this information, Brandmark will get to work creating professional logos for your business. In just seconds, you will have a variety of amazing logos to choose from. And the best part, you will save time and effort with Brandmark's easy to use platform. Brandmark utilizes artificial intelligence to create high quality logos that perfectly represent your brand. So, why waste time and money on expensive designers when you can create a professional logo for your business with Brandmark in just a few simple steps? Try it out today and see the results for yourself.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit AIdemos.com.